Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to get started with EasyAIBridge, the AI platform that turns your data into instant insights with no coding needed. Let's jump in. Step 1. Connect your data. First, connect your data source, like Google Sheets. Just click Connect, choose your sheet, and you're set. You can even link multiple files for combined analysis. Step 2. Ask with Smart Ask. Next, select your data and use Smart Ask to type your question in plain English. Example: show sales trends for the last quarter with charts and insights. EasyAIBridge understands natural language and prepares your analysis request. Step 3. Execute. Now hit Run in the Execute tab. The AI, powered by the Fusion Intelligence Core, processes your data and builds detailed reports in seconds. Step 4. Review insights. Once done, go to Review to see your charts, tables, and recommendations. You can export everything, and that's it. 4 simple steps: connect, ask, execute, and review. Try it now at easyaibridge.com and see how fast data analysis can be.